Is your website content designed and succeeding to impress customers and fuel your business? To answer this question with confidence and clarity, conducting technical SEO audit is a must. Download and improve your website's SEO with our detailed presentation. Also, grab up to 15% off by clicking on the link in the description. With this comprehensive PPT deck, learn how sitemaps help search engine crawl and index website pages more effectively. Understand the significance of Robots.txt in setting the rules for search engine crawlers. This is like the captain directing her team on which web pages to crawl and which ones to skip. Identify site errors that limit the website's overall usability. And also guides on its common issues, audit tools, and corrective actions. Get the hang of URL errors as well that occurs when a search engine crawler fails to crawl a particular website page. Get this content-ready deck on technical SEO audit factors now from the given link to optimize your website. Now, when speaking about SEO audit, we cannot skip the style sheet language CSS and JavaScript. Gain a deeper understanding of bloated CSS and JavaScript files that affect the website speed. SSL Certificate is also a crucial factor to consider as it authenticates a website's identity and enables an encrypted connection. This assures users that the site can be browsed without any fear of their data getting leaked. Want more? You will delve into the page speed metric that indicates how fast the content on the web page loads. Also, you will learn mobile optimization for the flawless viewing of your website on mobile devices and tabs. For more templates and presentations, visit www.SlideTeam.net.